As long
The National Weather Service in Tucson has issued a flash flood warning for east central Pima County in southeastern Arizona until 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 9:55 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated a large area of rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warning area. This rainfall is on top of already saturated soil. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Sahuarita, Green Valley, Vail, East Santa Rosa, Summit, and Corona de Tucson. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: Southeast Pima, Arizona,